What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another Urban Legend RC video. On this video, we're gonna take a look at the world's smallest monster truck. This is the 1/16 scale monster truck by Turbo Racing. I won this for Mosh Mob in his holiday giveaway extravaganza. He also gave me 8 stickers. He gave me 8 stickers. This one right here was on the box that he shipped it in, so I removed it from the box and I reused it on the ramps. So I got custom Mosh Mob ramps as well, so stay tuned. Let's go ahead and check this thing out. This thing has fully proportional steering, fully proportional throttle, has all your adjustments right here on the top of your controller, your throttle trim, your steering trim, your steering reverse. All right, guys, this thing has a 4-channel remote. This thing has 2 channels to turn the lights on and off, 1 button to turn the front lights on and off, and a 3-way toggle switch to turn the rear lights on and off. Guys, this thing is absolutely awesome. I did not expect that from this small vehicle, this 1/76 scale mini monster truck. This thing drives so well, and it's kind of quick. It's kind of quick for how small it is. It's very surprisingly quick. I did drive it outside on this video, but I have another video I'm gonna edit up, and we're gonna drive it inside while it's dark. So stay tuned for that. Let's get it.
I've had a blast with this as well, and I'm sure you will too. Winner 2 is Urban Legend RC right here.
This is the absolute best indoor and smooth surface 1/76 scale vehicle that you can buy. And these things are so fun. I'm looking into picking up the yellow one very soon.
Okay, so winner 2, Urban Legend RC. This is what you'll be getting, one of these awesome Turbo Racing mini monster trucks. I've had a blast with this as well, and I'm sure you will too. I'll be getting in contact with you to figure out how we can get that out to you.
All right, in the box, you get 4 ramps, a USB-C charging cable, the transmitter, along with the mini monster truck. I do have Amazon affiliate links down below. Purchasing through those links will help us keep creating awesome videos like this. That's pretty much all I got for y'all on this one, man. Until next time, you know what it is. Get out there and drive your RCs, fly your drones, and we'll see you on these 2 videos right here. Peace.